Mdigo's Academy. Learn today, earn tomorrow.
Hello guys, welcome to Mdigos. Today we'll be guiding you on step-by-step process of installing a crypto investment web script. This web script has KYC verification, Gmail login and mailing system, customizable admin management, and OTP withdrawal system. In our previous videos, I taught you guys how we can able to buy domain and hosting on Namecheap. So at this course, I won't be touching that again. I'll be diving in directly on how to host this web script to get your website crypto invest done in less than 1 hour. This is the user dashboard where you can actually fund your account and make withdrawals. It has options of account customization and account update system. So let's dive into installation. Go to your C panel, click on File Manager, search File Manager, click on File Manager, go to public_HTML, load it, create a folder inside public_HTML. Let's call it home. See, date. So this is our folder, home. You have to upload our folder. This is we're trying to upload the front page of our web script. You can choose to use our front page, or you can choose to have your own front page. But in this section, we are teaching you on how to use our front page as your front page of your website. So you're going to install a front page that will be provided in the script when sold. So this is our front page. We named it home. You have to always wait for it to turn green before you go back. This is our web script. Next thing you have to do is extract, because it's in a zip file. Extraction has been done. Click on public_HTML, click on home. This is our file. You open the file, select all, then you move. That should not be inside another folder. So the next folder you are seeing is the home. So go back to public_HTML, the folder home. This is our website. This is our file. So to text run, we have to. So this is our website already active online. This is our website. So the next thing we have to do is to install the back end of the script. It's installing the back end of the script. Go back to public_HTML, create another folder. Let's call the folder invest. Call the folder invest. Open. So the directory is still empty. Next thing you're going to do is to upload. In the web script provided, you see a backend script inside the web script provided. This is our web script. If you unzip it, unzip the folder, you see Mdigo's script. Open it, you see a zip file tray. That's where the backend script is. You install. While we're waiting for it to install, because it's a very bulky file, you have to go and create databases and email accounts, webmail email accounts. First, you click MySQL database. Let's call it DB. Next step. So it has been created. Next thing, username. You can call it anything. We want to call our own dash. Mdigos_dash is a database user. Generate password. Make sure you copy this password safely. Click on I've copied this password and open a writing software account, or write it down somewhere. I'm using Notepad to save my work. So this is database password. I save it here. So create user. automatically it has created user, and it gives you an input. This is the user and this is the database being created. Copy it and save it back into the notepad. So we have our document saved. Next thing, you click on all privileges. Next step, scroll down, say next step. Next thing is to create email account, web email account for your website. So let us click on create. Let's call our email account send@mdghost.com. Always generate password. You can just also add your own password, but for security, generate password, save it somewhere in our notepad, write it down. It's an email password, then email username. Our email account is send@mdghost.com. So we have secured our work here. You can save the folder, click save the folder and click and save it anywhere, keep it safe. So we have successfully created an email account, a webmail account for our website. So our file is still being uploaded. So we have to fast forward this video. Okay, next step we did is to upload our database. Click on PHP My Admin to redirect you to your database created. You see the database you created. We created this DB database. Next thing you're going to do is to upload an SQL file in the web script provided. So click on choose file. There's an SQL file in the web script. They call it trade.sql. Click on import. Click on import. So this is our database being imported successfully. So while still trying to upload this backend, we have to fast forward it. So basically it turns green, then go back. So we have next thing to do is to extract. Always extract your zip files. Always upload files in zip files. So we're extracting our file. public_html invest. This is our backend script successfully installed. So next thing, if you cannot find this .env file, click on settings, click on show hidden files, save. That's where you can able to see this .env file if you cannot access it at first. So we have to edit our .env file. So here we have things to edit in this .env file. Other things should be left as default. Your app name, app link, because we created a folder invest to save our back end, which is, that's why I said mdghost.com/invest. So the next one is database user. We copied the database when we wrote it save and pasted it here. So the next thing, database DB name. So our DB name is just DB. We copy everything. So next thing is DB password, database password. Copy it and paste. If you do not understand or you feel like we are rushing too fast, feel free to slow down the motion of the video to grasp everything needed. So we have successfully edited our .env file. I always advise to always delete your zip files after extraction to avoid it being bulky on your hosting server. So always delete, skip the deleting on the trash and delete. So this is our web. Next thing you're going to do is to edit the mail sender. So next thing you're going to do is to move ahead to config.php. So move to config folder, open the config folder, look for mail.php, so we can edit the sender folder name. That's for mailing system. We're editing the mailing system, trying to customize the mailing system for our use, for our brand. So this is config. Go to mail.php, edit it. So edit the email folder, open it. So you're going to edit the name. So we have our email. Our email username was send@indigo. These are the email accounts we created. So we created an web email account. So you use the webmail username to edit as a sender. So these are the mails people receive when they log into your account. So our name is Dash. Your name can be anything. That's where you now impute the name of your business or the name of your crypto investment company. So this is done. So let's open our website. So mdigos/ first thing you're going to do is to log in as an admin. That's the first thing you're going to do. /invest, the invest folder we uploaded our backend script /admin login /login. By default, you provided a credential for admin login. This is admin@gmail.com. Then we have a default password. You sign in. So this is your admin dashboard as an admin. Next thing you're going to do, the first thing you're going to do when you get your admin sign in is to edit your password. So you have a default password provided. So you have to customize and make it your own company. So this is our old. It inputs the old password. You're trying to input our new password. You confirm your new password, your own personalized password. Click on submit. The website is now yours as an admin. You have to now take charge. Next thing you're going to do is go to app settings. This is website information. Website name integrated dash. This is title, welcome to dash. You can write anything on that section. Our keywords, website keyword is trade because we do trading here. You can leave it that. You can actually input anything you want. Next thing you're going to do is to edit the announcement. Welcome to dash investments. You can write anything. Say happy returns, happy investments, whichever thing you want to write as an announcement. So next thing, you have to customize your website as the admin, taking charge. So you have to choose a logo. So for this test run, I provided a simple logo design. And choose to customize anything you want. This is your admin section. You can take charge. So input the logo of your choice. Favicon. Next one is Favicon. This is our Favicon. You update our account. Update. Watch how everything is going to change. See, our logo has changed. So has our Favicon changed too. This is our Favicon. It has changed successfully. Next thing we go to is preferences. See, this is websites in dollars. This is anything. You can turn anything down. If you want to enable withdrawals, fine. If you want to enable weekend trade, fine. If you want to enable KYC verification or email verification, it's on you. It's easily customizable. Whichever thing you chose, you click on save. But for this one, I'll turn my KYC verification on. You see, and whatever thing you pick, always save. Successfully done. So the next step is to click on email login. So if you set up for SMTP, fill in your email. You provide a send. We have a send@indigos.com. That's our webmail. Our name is dash SMTP host. Always ask your server, your hosting server's customer care for your SMTP host. So my own is, this is my SMTP host. So our SMTP password is the webmail password we created. So I have to copy, as I always say, keep your credentials safe. So we copy it and paste. It's for people that want to use the SMTP mailing server. But for this scope, for this course, we would be using our send mail server. But this SMTP server is still very much secured than send mail server. Whichever one you choose, just make sure you fill in the correct details. So we're going to use send mail. So we're going to edit this and save. Successfully done. So next we are going to do is, you can actually manage your user here or manage your plans. You can add new plan, you can fill in the form and add new plan. Whichever one you do, you save. You actually edit plan. This one we're here, we can actually edit it, edit the name, edit the plan price, you update. So let's register a new user. So we have to indigos.com/invest/register. Make sure you get your URL. Like, there's a mistake in my URL, that's why it's showing a 404 error. So always make sure the name of your folder is name you are imputing as the backend installation folder. So you are creating, you are calling it test. You're going to username test, email test. So you use a test account. So you're trying to use. So this is where any user can register here, get access to their dashboard. So fill in the form, register. This is our user dashboard. So you can customize it. It can be dark mode or light mode. So this is where you can do a KYC verification as a user. So this is your account settings, your account updates, your logout, whichever. So let's try to fund our account. Fund the account. Let's say $400. Can choose any coin. Meanwhile, as an admin, you can edit any coin here as an admin by going to the app settings and clicking on payment settings. So here you paste. This way you can edit every payment setting, every payment address in your app settings as an admin. So let us just choose a random picture as our payment picture. So this is a test run. We submit documents. So successfully done. So you have to wait for it to be processed by the admin. So we clicked on the admin URL. So this is also say manage deposit. So this is this recent transaction that has been made now by the test username. This is test client name test. So you can view the eye icon. You see the receipt of the transaction. You now click on process. Click on process. You can actually decline or process the transaction. So you notice that you go to our dashboard, you see that the money has been reflected on the user's dashboard. This is the $10 of each sign in, which can be actually be customized at the app settings as an admin. So let's make a withdrawal. Input your correct password. Let's try and withdraw Tron. So first of all, ask for OTP, request OTP as withdrawal. This is because of the settings or customization we made as the admin. So you fill in the OTP sent to the mail, the registered email you provided as a user. So let's click on the amount, click on the OTP we want, the OTP that was sent to our, trying to wait for the OTP to reflect on the Gmail provided. So click on the amount. This is the OTP provided. There will be an instant OTP that will be sent to your email. Because we activated the KYC, we can't actually withdraw just like that. You have to first of all verify your account. So this is account verification. But if you want to turn this off, you want your users to just withdraw, this is you customizing your as an admin customizing. You go to app settings, app settings, click on app settings, click on preferences. This is where you can be able to customize every transaction. So you can, if you turn off your KYC now, they will not ask for KYC verification on withdrawal, but this is what you can able to try on your own. So this is how to make withdrawals. You can actually subscribe to a plan as a user. Let us try to subscribe to a particular plan. You see, as I've successfully subscribed to. So look at our dashboard. The money has been debited from our funded account instantly and swift. So this is our crypto investment or crypto trading website officially done and ready. On the side, there will be a README file that will be put aside for this installation of this web script, where there will be guidelines, step-by-step guidelines on how to install this script on your own, even without watching this video. Moving forward, we are going to integrate a live chat system on our dashboard. So you're going to go to Invest, click on Resources, click on Views, go ahead to click on Layouts. Click on Layouts, click on app.invest.php, you edit it. So just inside, when you open the file to edit it, just inside your head tag, you can type in or paste the live chat link or tag inside the head tag just before the body tag and save. If you also want to add a live chat to your front page of your website, go to public_HTML, go to our folder home. Your folder can be saved as front depending on your name. Go to index.html, click on edit, go to the head tag just before the body tag. So this is it, and paste your live chat link on your head tag to have your live chat on your front page of your website. So you can actually edit this to the name of your website or of your company, whether it's Dash or your name of your crypto trading company. Here our logo is a name, so we just edited it to current name of our company, which I chose Dash. So the next thing, you are trying to impute the URL to the register buttons and the login buttons. So there's a tag, empty tag in your links for register and get started or login and get started. So you have to copy out the URL of the login and register button and impute it or integrate it in your A tag, so that when a user presses the login button, it will take the user to the login page. This is also adding mdigo/invest/login. Always make sure you are imputing the correct URL. So you're going to search for register, so you can actually add the register URL link on the buttons. So you see that it took us to the dashboard because already the session is still hasn't expired yet. So I'm going to look for, it says read more. Let us search for read more and edit it. If you're going to work with our front end, you have to edit. It's going to come edited. This read more will be showing as register. You really have to impute the correct URL of your own website link on the tags, on the register tags and the login tags. So this is it. This is the A tag. Say www.ndigos.com/ our folder, backend folder, invest/register. So we save and run it. So this is our button. You see our title has changed, so has our buttons, but you have to still change the button to be register. You see the URL is showing invest/login. See edit. To find something on the editing, just do Ctrl F to find, then key in the word you want to find. So we key it in, say read more. So you input the correct URL. You still edit because it's a sliding landing page, so there are 2 images there, 2 pages on the landing page. So we save, run it again by refreshing. See, it's now showing register. So once you click the link, it's not showing us the dashboard because our session is still on. So we have a logged in account already. So this is our website officially done and ready to be used. These front-end templates we are going to provide for you will be edited and customized to your use. You don't have to stress about talking about your company, but still, if you want to still customize it, go to the index.html file of the front end and edit to your choice. Remember we made 2 folders, one for front end, which we named home, one for the back end, where we integrated this web script. That is, we called it invest. If you want to use another website as a front end, put this code on the top of the index.lit.php. You can see this if you go to resources, click on views. That's from the backend folder invest. Click on resources, views, then you click on home. Look for home. Resources, view, home, then index.blade.php. This is for those that store their backend websites. So you have to impute this code inside the code will be provided in the readme file. So this is it. Your location will be your front end website. Then if you want to use your own customer, your own preferred front end. You can just input the URL as your front end without any folder. Let's say your front end is www.dash.com. That is what you input it as. So with that, your website is ready for use. If at the end of this video representation you are still confused about anything, there will be a readme file that will be provided when this script is purchased, that you get to follow a step-by-step guideline on how to install these scripts. The step-by-step guideline is very explanatory and straightforward. Feel free to DM us if you have any issues. That'll be all for the installation of this crypto trading web script. If you're still confused on how to buy domain and hosting on Namecheap, click on the link on the caption below to watch the previous video where we spoke about how to buy domain and hosting.